out there checking it to see if it's dry. And now Shaylee caught me. Oh. Not yet. These clouds don't go away. It's never going to dry. That's my daughter and the spouse. Daughter's on the four-wheeler, running around. Testing the hay. Still a little wet because it rained. Over there, go this way. Whoop. Here's our rake set up, and then you can't see it because it's all behind that, but that's the baling train, 4020, 575 New Holland, and a Stephan 1550. We'll come back by and look at it later. Alright, we're going to do a little bit of a farm tour on the tractor. Sorry about the background noise, but I don't have cab tractors, so the one I'm on is my 9960. You come around here and there's our 4020 connected to a New Holland 575, connected to a Stephan 1550 hay accumulator. Got our twin rake set up. That thing's really handy if the hay ain't too thick. If it's too thick, it's pointless. There's the RTV. There's the four-wheeler running away again. Try and get up here on the terrace. Kind of look down. This is the back field. It's the biggest field. Oh, and there's raindrops again. God dang it. Up here you can kind of see, oh, kind of see what we're working with. Tree line, there's a creek back there behind them trees. It's nice when it's really hot. I'll jump off the tractor and go roll in the creek. And then there's some trees that got to come out in the middle of the field. I should do that. I don't know if I have one. I might have it. My chains. So the only tractor we don't see right now is the 3020, which is all the way up at the barn. We'll go up there in a minute and continue this, but just kind of rolling along. The hay we're waiting for. This girl's cutting me off. That's my oldest spouse. The youngest is up in the barn. She had a long night last night. We were out here at 1 a.m. just trying to get all this up. So, bumpy. Here's the two trees that need to come out. Look at it coming up this way. There's a couple more fields we got, but we're not going to drive in those because we need to cut the hay on them. I don't want to drive them. Right now we're waiting on hay to dry. And that is not good. Already rained on it once. Oh! We got a lot of terraces. It's a little hilly up here. Anyway, we're all on back to the barn. I'd speed up, but the camera gets too bumpy. Yeah, we got raindrops. You can see them. Needs to stop that shit. There's another tree that needs to come out. Bad thing is we cut all them up. We're gonna pull them out. And by the time we got around to pull them out, all the leaves grew back up on them. They're sweet gum ball trees. I don't know what the real name is. But those distribute the wonderful little sweet gum balls. We gotta come out here and pick up every year. This is a new section we just cut through here Friday night. Make it easier to get to the barn without driving through the other field, which is over there. It's cut. Here's the truck. Here's the tedder. Oh man, it's really starting to rain now. God dang it. That ain't good. That needs to go back in the barn. Oh, that's a little bumpy. I don't think we're going to get that last bit of hay up to be any good. This is actually a horse pasture. We got it good and muddy last night. So coming up. There's my truck. That's my other side business right there. See it? That's my big toolbox. There's the 40 or 30-20 with the grapple hook to it. I'll spin around here. And we're going in the barn. Headlights are on. Nope. Bright lights. There's my little one hiding over there. That's Max. Lacey and Loki. There's a big old pile of hay. Alright, so I realized my little farm tour video here took a brief stop. So I need to close it out. I'm going to do a video while I'm driving home. The extra tedding and everything we did on Sunday was for naught. It started to rain again, so we lost about somewhere around 800 bales, I guess. So I'm driving back to the house right now. We've done cleaned up everything. We'll have to mulch that down. It's going to be wet all week, supposedly. It's supposed to rain today, but so far it hasn't. Anyway, we'll have to mulch that down, get it out of the field so it doesn't mess up the rest of the growth coming up. It sucks, but sometimes that's part of farming. We just lose some every now and again, but that would have been a good haul. That would have been one of our biggest yields yet off of that backfield, probably close to 1,800, 2,000 bales off of the backfield alone. That's a pretty good haul. A lot of work, but it's pretty good haul. If we'd have just had one more day of dry weather, we would have got it all. And we just didn't have it. It rained and rained and rained on Sunday, so the hay that's out there, you could use it for cattle, but mainly we sell horse hay. Just not the kind of quality we would want to sell to customers. So we're just going to get rid of it and mulch it down. But again, thanks for watching, and keep watching because we've got about 4 more fields to cut soon. Thanks. Have a good one.